Hi there, and welcome to my course. My name is Elshad, and I will be your instructor throughout this course. I'm a software developer with more than 7 years experience in various programming languages. In this course, I will explain you the logic behind essential data structures and algorithms. If you are a software developer, regardless of knowledge level, beginner or advanced, you have to know the logic behind data structures and algorithms. This is very crucial because by understanding the logic behind it, you can choose the right data structure and algorithm for your software to make it time and memory efficient. Moreover, this knowledge is essential to pass job interviews. And the good news is that everything that will be explained in this course is shown with animation, which makes things easier and memorable. Algorithm and data structures are everywhere during our daily lives. From the map that we are using daily to get shortest route, to online orders that we order, even the games that we play, all applications are optimized based on algorithms. The course consists of two parts. In the first part, the data structures will be explained, and in the second part, algorithms will be discussed. First, we will start with arrays and discuss the main features of arrays and how insertion and deletion work. Then we will continue with list and linked list, and the next topic will be stack. And with animation, the logic behind it will be explained, and after stack, we'll continue with queues. From here, hash tables will be explained. Then we will discuss heaps. And finally, from data structures, binary search trees will be explained. In the second part, we will continue with the algorithms. First, we will start with sorting algorithms such as bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, and quick search. Then we will continue with clustering algorithms like k-means. After clustering algorithms, we will continue with list search algorithms such as linear search and binary search. And finally, graph algorithms like breadth first search, depth first search, and Dijkstra's algorithms will be explained. I hope this course will be beneficial for you and you'll enjoy it.